All right, lesson 6. Let's talk about printing and how things hook together. So what you need to be able to do is camera controls so that you can take a really good close look. So to spin it around, I'm using the left mouse key. Okay, so I can zoom in and out with my zoom button on my mouse, and I can take a look at it. If for some reason your work plane gets off center, you can hold down the shift key and then use your mouse with the left key to be able to move it around so that you can actually look at exactly what you need to look at. Okay, and then what you need to do is go underneath your design and look to see like what's floating, what's sticking out from underneath. For example, underneath these letters, let's say that I had a piece, perhaps a sphere here, that was lower than the work plane. So when I look underneath it, I can see that that is sticking below the work plane. That's not going to print well. Basically, it's going to start printing this, and then it's going to make all of this float when it actually prints with the filament. So I'm going to lift this up to the 0 plane. How do I know when it's at the 0? Well, I can eyeball it, but I can also take a look at the numbers that pop up here. So if I want to quickly get this to the 0 plane, I can click on 0. Okay, and then I can move that up and down as I want. Let's say I want these two items hooked together. So I think, okay, those look like they're hooked together, right? Well, let's take a closer look. So when I zoom in, I can see right there that those two items are not actually touching. So when they print, they also will not be touching. So you want to be careful about that and make sure that one item is actually embedded right into the next item so that when it prints it hooked together.